Yo, what up YouTube? Today is the fishing day, so we're going to be going to a fishing trip with my dad. That's going to be fun before the gym, so it's going to be a little fishing slash gym vlog. But yeah, it's currently 5:30. We're going to have some family over, some people over, so yeah, hope y'all enjoy. Stay tuned, and yeah, we're going to be catching some bass, some carp, some just all types of fish, and have a whole barbecue. But yeah, hopefully y'all are having a great summer. And yeah, I'm trying to avoid saying the word funna because I always say that. And yeah, we'll see what the hell happens. I don't even know what I'm gonna do, but yeah, I'm excited. We gotta get some stuff. I gotta load the car with some fishing equipment, some chairs, help my mom out. And yeah, we're gonna be heading out, and it's a pretty long drive. It's an hour 15 drive to this dam in Illinois. But yeah, so it's kind of annoying. That's why we have to wake up so early and go so early, because all my fishing connoisseurs out there, you know that the best time is early in the morning. Like, I'm talking 5 a.m. We're going a little late, but yeah. Catch y'all later and enjoy this little vlog, man. Alright, boys, just got done getting ready. Hold up. Alright, boys, just got done getting ready. But yeah, I'm definitely not a morning person. I hate waking up early. But for fishing, you gotta do it, man. That's the perfect time. But yeah, going fishing. Also, we're gonna go to a local donut spot to get some coffee, because you can't live without. I'm not really a coffee dude, but some energy drinks or something. I low-key need something to stimulate me. But yeah, gonna be a wild ride today. But yeah, catch y'all later. We here at a Dollar Tree. Gotta stop by, get ketchup. But yeah, about to be at the fishing trip. And yeah, man, hopefully y'all have a great summer, and I'll be shooting some fishing. Like, I'll get the highlights and stuff. But yeah, gotta get some ketchup, barbecuing, fishing. Now all that caffeine hit me, so we're chilling now. But barbecue, fishing. What do you need? Gym. What do you need more, bro? And family. Don't forget about family. Here's my mom. Mimi. She doesn't know I have a YouTube channel. She's like, what the hell are you doing? But yeah, gonna be fishing. I'm gonna find the ketchup now. Finding ketchup challenge. It should be in here, Nate. Mil gaya? Yes? We found the ketchup. I'll catch you guys later. We're finally here. I got my sister recording me. Now, first cast of the day. All right, let's see how the fish is looking out here. My dad caught a couple 3, but I don't know what's up. Got the fake bait, you know me. Let's see if this works. Oh, that was a interesting cast. All right, just casted the first line. The rod is chilling over there, but yeah, I'll just try to show you all the highlights. That was just the first cast. But we got family down there. I'm out here fishing, but hopefully catch anything. It's looking too hot today, man. Too hot. What you think? Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But we got barbecue. I'll try to see what's up, man. But yeah. The highlight is the food. That is true. The highlight is the food. We are fatties. I'm an eater. I'm a foodie. She's a foodie too. But yeah, I'll see what's up. I'm using fake bait right now to all the fishermen out there. Yeah, it's looking. That's the lake. It's looking alright. We'll see what's up. But yeah, hopefully we catch a huge catfish or something. Who knows what you can catch? But yeah, yeah, catch y'all in a bit. Hopefully. 2 seconds later, we already caught. What is this called? Baba, what is this fish? Crappie, boys. We already caught a fish. Looking not bad. I'm gonna have to unhook this. Go. I got it. I feel good, but it's always when you come back to try to. I can get it. No, my dad's coming. Yeah, already. Oh my God, that's the first crappie of the day. Yes, sir, gang. Okay, I'm gonna actually have to get good at grabbing this because it's like a gym bro. You gotta just grab the fish. I'm not gonna look. I'm not a pussy. I'm not a pussy. All right, she be vlogging me, but this is her first cast of the day. Let's see what she got. You know, you don't need muscle. It's all technique. Woo! Oh, it landed somewhere there. Hey, W first cast. All right. Hopefully she catches some, low key. But yeah, high key she will catch. Ooh, big. She said bigger than her. We'll see what's up. Well, that's great. My line just broke. It got stuck on the hell freaking tree up there, man. What a stupid branch, dude. This is why like fishing is kind of annoying, but listen, man, when you catch a fish, it's just insane. But like, the patience is key. But when you get it stuck or on the branch, dude, it's like super annoying. But yeah, gonna have to get a new line and see what's up. But whatever, bro. Oh, I caught one. Oh my God. Another crap. I'm not sure. Crappie boys. Ooh.
Baba, do you want this one? Did you get the hang of it? It's the unhooking it that's annoying. Boys, a crappie. Tastiest looking fish. That's how you grab it by the mouth. All right, babe. All right, boys. I almost called you babes. Oh my God! She caught one.
It's so small.
Yeah, girl. You caught it. Where is it?
Right
Ooh.
here.
Water.
Wait, how do I do it? It's like biting me.
It's not biting. You just gotta grab it. It's not gonna bite you.
It is biting me.
You gotta just put your thumb on the thing. It's not biting you. That's just the gill, or not the gill. That's just the sharp part. Oh my God, getting that fish action. Holy crap, W vlogger, no? You just gotta yank it. You gotta pull it. It's fine. Here, okay, let me use my other hand. Dude, this hook is so small. Okay, guys, if this is fish cruelty, I'm sorry.
Maybe sit down and do it. Take it to Bob.
Okay, let's put it in the water. Now I'm getting scared. Are you still alive, buddy? Okay, okay. All right, well, that's another one down. I'm gonna take this and we're gonna put it in the fisher place. All right, you can. All right, going to be getting in some solo action. I'm mic'd up, geeked up. Let's go. Yeah, seems like there's no fish out here. Family moved in too, so my line's gonna get stuck now. But yeah, we'll see what's up. But sometimes there's highs and lows to fishing. These are the lows, and those are the highs. You know, nothing crazy. No one caught a big fish out here yet, as far as I can tell. So we're gonna be trying to see what we can do. I might switch spots because people are here. We got a rod back, new spot now. Let's see what's up. Uh, but yeah, it's been a hassle because a lot of people are here, a lot of family members. But it's okay. Let's see if we can catch anything big. But yeah, man, new spot. Hopefully we catch some. Alright, boys. I think that's all she wrote for now. We'll see if we come in, but as you can see, my line just broke. I think I'm just too, honestly, bro, no caffeine, no stimulants, or that's just on freaking espresso. Yeah, I'm too not dialed in, bro. I got to dial in, but I'm too tired. I might take a nap. I think it's almost time to eat, so we'll see what's up. We'll see what's being made up there. But yeah, that's it for now. Damn, bro, my skin glowing, bro. Dude, y'all need to do double cleansing. Trust. It'll clear up your skin and start a diet. Trust me. But yeah, brung my own meal too. I brung potato and we're grilling some my chicken breast. There's also bone chicken breast stuff, but I brung my own food with my so I can grill and stuff, and like my own potatoes and stuff. So yeah, gonna be eating that. Sorry if the mic is scuffed, the wind's probably out, but yeah, man, I think that ends it for now. It's like what, probably around 11 or 12. I might come back later. We'll see, and then that's about it, bro. For fishing, bro, you gotta come early, bro. You gotta come early. Like I'm saying, 5 a.m., 4 a.m., even like 6 a.m. But yeah, that's about. I caught a gar, as you can see. That's the last thing I caught, but not looking good. The dam is right there. Family all the way back there. But yeah, I mean, hey, it is what it is. I guess that's all she wrote for now. Let's see what's up there. Let's see what's in the barbecue. I'm excited. The gars got to me though. I also screamed myself, bruh. Oh my god, graphic signs. Nah, it's nothing. Graphic. Oh my god, YouTube, super graphic. No, it's not. Listen, nothing. No fishes were harmed. Every fish um, was, we're gonna eat them. So they were not harmed when they were during the hook. Okay, like when they're in the mouth. To all you like sensitive folks out there, bro, the fish they don't feel in the hook. It's when it's like around like their mouth. Depends on the fish, right? Like the crappies, they don't feel it. They have sharp teeth and stuff. And gars, who cares about gars, bro? Okay, my dad put the foot on that. We don't like gars out here. Right? They don't taste good. We just throw them out. They kill other fish out here. They like overpopulate. They kill the catfish and all that. But yeah, this place became overpopulated and oversaturated. But whatever. That's enough yapping. Let's go to the grill. Yo, just got done eating, but I ended up eating a lot of the barbecue, bro. I couldn't resist, bro. I couldn't just eat the potatoes, I can't lie. I ended up eating some of that chicken, that rice, spaghetti. I had like 2 plates of that, low-key. Like small portions, but there was still a lot. And there was like juicy watermelon, bro. Listen, bro. At the end of the day, having a refeed. I'm not gonna eat the whole next day, but having a refeed is fine, Never stress about it too much, okay? And I know I'm on a bulk anyway, so it's fine. Like I should not go crazy about it, but like as long as I don't do this like consistently, then I should be fine. My body this week should, help with this stuff. But I'm not perfect, dude. It's like I'm like sleep deprived. It's like the worst type of, when you're out in the sun, the heat, bro, it gets to you, man. That's why I don't like going out that much. But it's okay, bro. I'll get back on my grind. I did end up being those potatoes and stuff, but that grilled, man, you can't resist that. But it's okay. It's not like I'm gonna overeat. I'm just gonna eat this time. If I do, I'll let you know throughout the day. But no, I'm like, I'm confident that I won't eat like more, dude. I might eat a little bit like this meal. I might eat some more watermelon or apples. But after this fishing trip, I'm done eating for the day, and I'll go back into my bulk, and my body will just use that fat as energy. And I make sure to use that energy today for arm day, and go hard, no matter what. So I'll probably be like what tomorrow. I'll probably be like 138, 139 pounds. I'll probably be like 4 pounds heavier. But I'm snacking on a little bit of goldfish. It was like half of it. And it just fell. It literally just fell. That back there. So my body's like telling me to stop eating. So I'm gonna stop. I'll probably like have some like coffee or something or chai, tea, and like a little bit of desserts, not too much. But as long as we don't go overboard after this, I'll be fine. And this is just like a good reminder to me of why, like, nothing in life is gonna be perfect. Nothing's gonna be linear. There's always gonna be struggles. I've learned to just bounce back. This is my life. This is a gym vlog. I'm not gonna, every day is not gonna be a day where it's gonna be perfectly cooked meals, perfectly everything. But I make sure to go hard in every single set, every single workout. That's the biggest thing. And stick to the diet the majority of the time. Like I said, 80% and 20%, like 70% and 30%. But like, yeah. Hopefully that's a lesson to y'all and to myself. But yeah, man, a little refeed doesn't hurt anyone, But yeah, stay tuned. I probably won't fish that much anymore. I'll probably show some clips if someone else catches anything, but I'm done fishing. This just got devoured. Enough refeeds. I'm done. Ate like 5, bruh. Post refeed, stomach feels full. I feel depressed. And I want to die. No, I'm kidding. I'll be fine. I mean, hey, I'm bulking. It's part of the bulk. No, I'm kidding. Dude, here, I'm showing you my journey. I'm showing the ups and downs. Not everyone's journey is gonna be linear, like I said. I'm just venting to myself in the camera right now, but I don't even know how I'm gonna hit this bicep workout. It's 3 o'clock. We'll see what happens, bro. I'll go to the gym. I'll hit the gym. I'm done eating. Like, I had one big meal, and then like an hour later, I had you saw those cakes. So definitely like 5,000 plus calories easily, 6,000, 7,000, I would say. But yeah, I mean, depends. Like a cake is probably what, like 400, whatever. Calories are just a measurement, right? Weight's just a number. No, I'm kidding. Actually take your diet seriously, but listen, I'll try my best. But dude, there's been so many parties, so many things to go to. You've seen it all. I've told you, like this 1 week, I went to like 4 freaking parties. And fishing was one of them, I thought I'd be fine here. I was like, dude, I'm gonna roll. I'm pretty good. Usually, I don't eat out. Here I am eating out. I'm going back to binging. And, but yeah, we'll regain. These next 2-3 days, I probably will just like eat maintenance. Like 1,600 calories of my maintenance for 135 pounds. Sorry, my teeth are hella yellow, I know. It's not cavities, nothing. It's just literally like I was born with yellow teeth on the bottom. I've tried everything. I've tried whitening. The only thing I fixed is dents, so yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, gotta get my teeth cleaned. But yeah, man, dude, got pimples and stuff growing back, beard's growing back. Life sucks. No, I'm kidding. I'm just full, and I know if I just hit the gym, do like a good cardio session, I'm gonna walk this off. I've been walking everywhere, like this whole dam, walking, going up and down. You saw the dam, walked up the dam, walked over. There's a beach here, showed you guys. So yeah, this is Carlisle Lake in Illinois. But yeah, man, pretty chill. We got some people on boats and stuff. We're like, yeehaw, you want a beer? And like just being like, love you, Pookie, this one guy said. But yeah, that's about it. That's all she wrote. And yeah, man, we'll see how long we are here for. But after that, you know how it is. Go straight to the gym. Do cardio, like probably an hour or something. Keep walking right now. Keep doing cardio so like I can just flush it out tomorrow. and the next 2-3 days eat maintenance, get back to like 134, 135 pounds, then steady bulk again. You know, it's a lapse in my judgment. But listen, man, everyone makes mistakes. You know, no one's perfect. But we keep continuing, we keep growing. All I gotta do is progressive overload, get my diet straight, sleep, recover, and go hard. And that's the things I gotta do. Yeah, enough yapping. And yeah, man, I'll try to go show you guys cool scenery, anything fish caught. I'll show you any updates. But yeah.
I wanna push big giant rock.
My boys call me or family members call me, but nothing. I'm talking to the camera. You want to say hi?
Why?
Nothing. I'm just like vlogging.
Bored?
Huh?
Bored?
Yeah, I'm bored. But yeah, guys, family. You know how it is awkward if they're like, "Are you vlogging?" Are you like? I'm just like, no. I'm giving. I guess I am vlogging, but I'm saying it to family. But yeah, catch y'all later. Peace. Oh my! Someone just caught a massive fish. Looks like a 6-pounder. Sorry for all the that's crazy. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. Just came back from fishing, fell asleep in the car. Oh my god, what time is it? 6 o'clock. I'm about to go to sleep again. I'm gonna have to hit the gym later. Holy. But I'm gassed out full. So I'm about to clock out for a bit. See y'all later. Alright, y'all. Y'all might be wondering why I'm in the car right now. Basically, it's almost 11 o'clock. I fell asleep for 3 hours. Yeah, it ended up not being a 1 hour nap like I thought. I ended up sleeping for 3 hours and I went to prayer real quick. So came back, now it's almost 11. So I'm going to the gas station with my sister to get an energy drink, and I'm going straight to the gym and it's arm day, so it won't be that bad, but I'm gonna be doing an hour of cardio for sure. And then I'm just we'll see what happens. Edit this video tonight. Just with that energy drink. And then hopefully, yeah. And then reset for tomorrow, eat at maintenance, bounce back, alright? We still go into the gym, no matter what type of situation I am. The gym never leaves us, alright? The gym and me. It's tonight. Bicep, tricep gonna be thrashed. And got a little cut on my finger, but that won't stop me. Alright, a little refeed won't stop me. But yeah, I'll probably post a picture at the end of the refeed calories. And yeah, bro. It's okay. Things happen. But yeah, let's go to the gas station and see y'all at the gym, or the gym parking lot. Alright, gonna keep this short and sweet. It's like 11:30. Got to the gym, took my energy drink. Now let's blast some arms and do some cardio. And yeah, man, the grind never stops, alright? Refeed, but it's all good. We're gonna go back to eating maintenance and for a little bit. But I'll show you how I recover tomorrow. Same thing. In and out, we grinding, alright? Let's do it. Let's freaking cue that montage, baby.
Learn from yesterday. Live for today. Hope for tomorrow. Hope is not a dream, but a way of making dreams become reality. for today, hope for tomorrow. Hope is not a dream, but a way of making dreams become reality.
Wake up kicking myself, exhale cause I heard it helps, but same old way I felt, resting on my shoulders, cold night in a sleepless bed, white eyes with a glaze of red. I'm going round and round, it won't let me out. Sing when I swim, I'm drowning in. I sing when I swim from the pressure in my. When I swim, I'm drowning in. I sing when I swim from the pressure. so low, this feeling just can't leave me alone. It makes me know I want it all. Oh yeah, 'cause I've got a fire deep within. It's a strong desire to touch the sky and take flight. I'm gonna take the world 'cause it's mine. I want it all, I want it all, I want it all. Until we touch the sky and take flight. I want it all. I've got a fire deep within. It's a strong desire to touch the sky and take flight. I'm gonna take the world 'cause it's mine. I want it all. Until we touch the sky and take flight.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits. You can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Back in the car. I officially have the graveyard shift, and yeah, I finished my workout. Did a 50 minutes of cardio. It's currently 3 a.m. in the morning. I think, dude, all the morning people are here now. It's crazy, but yeah, just ended it. I'm tired. I literally smell like shit. Yeah, somebody smells like shit. That's me right now. I literally smell like fish sticks. It's pretty bad. I need to take a shower, go home, take a shower. And yeah, bro. But what a day. And holy, that C4 helped. If you ever sleep deprived, obviously drink an energy drink. C4 Starburst. Pink Starburst. But yeah. Catch y'all later. You know, stay consistent. And hopefully one day I catch a Goliath grouper. That's another G. Gym, God, grind, and Goliath grouper. So stay tuned. If you want to see more fishing stuff, let me know. I'm always willing to do that. One day my dad loves fishing, so yeah, dude, we could do like boat fishing. Dude, there's so much we could do, but you know, I'm kind of broke, and my dad's he's trying to retire. So yeah, man. Peace out. Love y'all. It's too late for this. See y'all tomorrow. Yeah, officially the graveyard shift. That's good though, cause legs. I have to go to that gym again, so it's probably gonna be late night. But yeah, catch y'all later. Peace. Boom.